This Evo-One that I'm working on right here, I am doing a couple modifications to this customer's kit. One, I'm adding a T-harness, and I'm also using an extended range cool start remote RF kit. So this way he can have extended range instead of just using his factory lock 3 times to activate his remote start, which he can actually do that plus this at the same time. So when you're doing that with your Evo All, what I suggest you do is take your antenna, open it up, and the single plug, put that onto your antenna like I did mine, because you're going to see that, and it would look weird if you had 2 plugs hanging around and one extra just kind of like dangling around. That would be strange. Looking at your module over here on your side, there's an RS-232P port right here, as well as one right here. But one kind of has like the Fortin data-to-data plug with no clip. Then you have one with the clip. The one you want to use is the blue one, the third one in, or the center one actually, because there's 5. You got 1, 2, 3, third in, 1, 2, 3, third in. That's all you need to do. Plug that in, your antenna, run it out as high as possible in the vehicle, program the remotes like the install guide explains, and that's how that works. Now, I also wanted to show you the T-harness. This is the default T-harness, which you would have to hardwire for a specific vehicle. If you don't want to have that, you wanted to have the luxury of having a T-harness, which is made for your vehicle. Like in this case, it's a Toyota, and we're going to use the Toy One. You simply plug it in there, and it's already pre-plumbed for you. Just plug the male end in, female end, and that's it. Optional ground, and that's it. And then you just do your main wiring as he shows in your installation guide. Flash it. Well, in this case, this guy already has it pre-flashed. I even pre-cut the loop for his automatic transmission. So this guy just got to get it, make 2 connections, and this guy's pretty much done. But if you're doing this yourself, there's a couple little tips for you. So if you're doing the T-harnesses, check Fortin site or our site. We have all the latest applications typically. And this you won't need. That'll go to the metal recycler. And this will be a very easy, straightforward installation. Plus, it'll perform terrific with this extended range kit too as well. So there it is.